Hello, remember I told you I would give you one more day to finish your summative. So this is what it looks like. Remember, you have this document. This is your preparation document. Please look at the bottom. If you start out with the 3 items you chose to use and end with theme for your topic sentence, then you should start with theme and end with the 3 choices for your concluding sentence. I will not look at this preparation document. The only document I'm going to look at is the skin I'm in summative. Everyone should already have the red, blue, green paragraph started at the bottom. Remember, you can't see that. Remember, help me. Remember, there you go. Remember, it's Happy Monkey, size 12. If you go over here, it's 1.5 spacing. So that's what your paragraph should look at the bottom. Remember, you have the skin I'm in, or I'm sorry, you have the, Seed Folks, red, blue, green paragraph, my example, to see what it should look like when you are finished. You also need to complete the summative signpost. Remember, you need 15 signposts. 6 of them should be one from each of the categories. The remaining 9 can be whatever you want. You can fill in this form, you can fill in this form, you can fill in this form, or you can fill in this form. I need your 15 best signposts on this summative signpost document. These 2 things need to be finished first. Your red, blue, green paragraph and your summative signpost. You only have this class period to work on them. When you are done with that, you have another assignment. Yesterday, you were given or you were able to check out a historical fiction book. You have a document called A Historical Fiction Overview that will tell you basically what we're going to do for this unit. At a glance, we'll give you some dates. What's important when you start reading your book today, if you have time, you can write your title and your author here. You're going to try to figure out what time period it is. Like, get it within a decade. If you can get an exact year, that's awesome. And where it takes place. Then you are going to research about 5 events that happened in that place at that time. I have given you research links on that document that will show you where you can go for research. So at the bottom of the document, looks like this. It gives you 3 links to use. You can't use Google, you can't use Wikipedia, and you need a 10-word summary about each of those 5 events. Make sure that you put the link at the end to where you got that information from. We will have time to work on this when I get back. Most important things you are going to do today are finish your 2 summatives. Finish the red, blue, green paragraph, finish the signpost, and then start working on this document. By the way, this document is called Beginning Research. This is the one you're going to fill in. I also gave you a document called Beginning Research Example. The only thing I messed up on this is I didn't put my site, link my site on there, so I would have lost points from that.